Joining me now is Democratic Congressman from Tennessee, Steve Cohen, a member of the House Judiciary Committee. Congressman, thank you so much for joining us this morning. In this case, what does an expedited ruling mean? When is your cutoff for a decision?
Well, I don't know if there's a cutoff at all. I mean, justice denied is delayed is justice denied, but we'll get to it. The counsel did ask that it be expedited, and I think the court will respond positively. McGahn's our most important witness. He was a witness to obstruction of justice, and the fact that he's been obstructed from appearing before us is even more obstruction of justice. This president now does things in the open, transparently. Normally you think of somebody being transparent as being good, but what he's doing and suggesting that witnesses not comply with requests for appearances to testify and or for documents is really obstruction, and he's using the courts to do it in the most in a legal way, but it's still obstruction. And when he says he's going to take the G7, which he wants to make the G8 to Doral, that's grifting and violating the Emoluments Clause, but he's doing it transparently. He has gotten so used to getting his way and doing whatever he wants and not letting the Constitution or the law or the stand between him and his responsibilities taking the oath, that he just does it openly. It's unbelievable.
When you talk about this issue, though, Congressman, of transparency, and of course we're going to get into the G7 potentially being held at Doral later on in the show, but when it comes to this issue of transparency, what is your committee's next step if the judge, for example, doesn't rule in your favor?
Well, if he doesn't rule in our favor, we'll appeal. But I don't think he will not rule in our favor. We are accurate in what we want. He has a duty to appear. What they're claiming as immunities have never been cited or approved by courts in the past. They waived immunity when they made the Mueller report public. They waived the immunity when they testified before Mueller. They do not have an immunity claim. They are finding whatever they can do. It's like throwing all the spaghetti up against the wall and seeing what sticks.
All right, Congressman.
Nothing's going to stick.
Congressman Steve Cohen, thank you so much for joining us live from Memphis this morning. All right.
I just want to show you what's happening in America.
I actually can't read that far.
Make Russia great again.
Oh, my word. Okay. Congressman, thank you for joining us this morning. Have a good rest of your day.